Dogecoin, Doge, vs Renq Finance, RENQ, vs Shiba Inu, SHIB. Which of these popular tokens will make their investors rich in 2023? You can like and subscribe for more cryptocurrency and Bitcoin news. You can write the coins you want us to share in the comments. You can use the link in the description section to get 20% lifetime commission discount on purchases and sales. Cryptocurrencies have been gaining widespread popularity in recent years, with some coins, like Dogecoin, Renq Finance, and Shiba Inu, becoming household names. These tokens have seen significant growth in their prices, making many investors rich. But the question is, which of these popular tokens will continue to make their investors richer in 2023? In this article, we will compare Dogecoin, Renq Finance, and Shiba Inu, analyzing their performance and potential for growth. Dogecoin, Dogecoin was created in 2013 as a joke, inspired by the popular Doge meme. But in recent years, it has become a serious contender in the cryptocurrency market, largely due to endorsements from high-profile figures like Elon Musk. The token has experienced several price surges in recent months, reaching an all-time high of 69 cents in 2021. However, the price has since dropped significantly, and as of writing, the price is around 8 cents. Dogecoin has no real use case and is primarily used for tipping and making small purchases. The lack of utility has led some experts to believe that Dogecoin's growth potential is limited. However, the strong community backing the token, coupled with the hype around it, could still drive its price higher in the short term. Renq Finance, RENQ. Renq Finance is a new player in the cryptocurrency market, having launched its pre-sale in February 2023. Despite being in its early stages, Renq Finance has already gained significant attention from investors, raising over $4.5 million in its pre-sale. The platform's community has provided strong support for the development of the token, which has helped the project achieve several noteworthy milestones. As a result, investors are anticipating that the mainnet launch will occur sooner than initially projected. Furthermore, Renq Finance aims to create a decentralized ecosystem that includes a decentralized exchange, a charity wallet, and a transparent and secure platform. The token has seen an impressive performance, with a 75% rise in price so far this year. This growth is expected to continue, with projections of another 8,000% increase before the project finally launches. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Shiba Inu was created in 2020 and has gained popularity as a meme-inspired cryptocurrency. The token's development has been aided by its distinct economic model, with a fixed supply of 50 quadrillion tokens. A major percentage of these tokens are locked up in a burn vault designed to reduce the token's overall supply over time. Due to its rarity, Shiba Inu has become a popular pick among investors eager to get in on the next big thing, driving up its price. However, Shiba Inu has yet to gain significant adoption or use cases beyond speculative trading. The lack of a clear use case may limit its potential for growth in the long term.